Have you ever opened an Excel file, clicked on a cell, and saw a drop-down arrow, but had no idea where it came from or how to edit it? In today's video, I'll show you how to find a drop-down list in Excel step by step using a real-life data example. Okay, let's jump right in. Drop-down lists in Excel help users select data from a predefined list. Great for data entry, surveys, forms, and more. Here's a sample employee sheet. Notice the department and status columns have drop-down lists. Now, if you want to find all drop-down lists in your sheet quickly, here's a quick tip. First, press F5 from your keyboard. Now, click on Special. Then choose Data Validation. And finally hit OK. Excel will instantly highlight all cells with drop-downs. Now, how do we find out where these lists came from? First, click on the cell that contains the drop-down. For example, click on B2 under the Department column. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click on Data Validation. A dialog box will pop up. Under Allow, you'll see List Selected. And here's the key. Under Source, you'll see there are a range like E2 to E6. Or a list like IT, Marketing, HR, Sales, and Finance. If it's a range, the list is stored in a different part of the sheet. Just update the range. And go there to add the values. If it's a written list, you can edit the items directly in the source box. Simple, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an Excel tip from Easy Click Learning. Drop a comment below if you want to learn how to create your own drop-down lists in Excel. I'd be happy to cover that next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.